You know what your problem is? You're smart. Too smart. You see the lies, the masks, the betrayals. But you don't lash out, because you still see God in everyone. It hurts when they try to fool you, because you already know what they are doing. You see deeper than most. That's why the world feels heavy. But hear me. God made you this way. That sharp mind, that restless heart, that deep ache. It's not a curse. It's a calling. You feel lonely sometimes because you were never meant to blend in. You were set apart, chosen, and you're smart enough to know